HobbyKidsTV.
Okay, Icebox Man. I need you to stay here while me and Anna go fix up the palace, okay? I'm tired of being told what to do. You watch out, Queen Elsa. You will soon be getting a visitor from me.
Elsa, I can't wait to see your palace all lit up. Come on, show me.
Hey, princesses, wait up. I'm coming too.
Isn't my new house awesome? It lights up so pretty. You can keep it closed or you can expand it and make it huge. Here it is. Here's Elsa's palace. Isn't it beautiful? Da 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 da. Where'd Elsa go?
Oh, just hiding on my throne.
Just push this green button to show the lights. Ooh, this is my favorite part. Elsa, this place looks great. I love it all lit up. They'll never see me hiding behind the glass doors. I blend in. These lights are so cool. Does something seem peculiar? That's it, Elsa. Now these glass walls will shatter. I'll save you, Anna and Elsa. Who's talking? Where are you? Down here. You little snowman think you can save this palace? Think again. Guys, a little help in here, please. Okay, that's it. First off, no one messes with my palace. And second, hands off the snowman. Target in sight. Ooh, this place is cold. Back down, Icebox Man, or I'll be shooting you with these lasers. I've got extra snowballs inside me now. No one throws snowballs at Dusty. That does it. What? Hey, put me down! Olaf, hang tight. You're about to get shaken up a bit. Oh, hey! Oh, that hurt. Dusty, thanks so much for your help. It's all clear. Get this icebox out of here.
You got it, Elsa.
I think the ice monster man just wanted to eat a good carrot. Hey, is that a snowflake over there? Hobby Kids, check it out! We've got a Kinder Surprise egg. Chocolate, of course. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This looks good. Do you know the name of this guy? Put him in the comments below.
I'm HobbyAunty. Thanks for watching. Click on the blue rectangle to see more Disney princess fun.